No one ever took it for granted. Having been born in the depths of the earth, it became a treasure that gave the humankind the power of heat and light, the luxury of freedom, and the might of energy. Natural gas entered each and every home and became a natural, integral part of everyone's life. Behind its apparent simplicity, however, there is an extremely complex but wonderfully balanced mechanism. The success of this mechanism depends substantially on the performance of our products, which are central to any technological process in the gas industry. Valves by TermoBrest ensure safe and smoothly continuous operation of gas-powered equipment, such as large-scale power facilities providing heat and electricity to entire cities and regions, and household appliances, the undisturbed operation of which ensures comfort in our homes. From the day of its incorporation and until today, our company has been firmly adhering to three basic principles, which are quality, reliability, and safety. 25 years of hard and painstaking work, research, trial and error, and ongoing innovations made TermoBrest one of the leaders among gas equipment manufacturing companies in the entire Eurasian continent. At our conception in the early 1990s, we started our journey by manufacturing and offering to the market only 3 items of gas equipment. Striving to meet growing demands of the market and to attain excellence, we have never stopped on the achieved, and responding to the challenges of time in the market, we took every opportunity to improve available products and broaden the number of series of items manufactured. We currently manufacture and offer to the market more than 7,000 types and series of items. And keeping up with our tradition of always striving for more and better, we are not planning to stop innovating. Today's TermoBrest is a modern, large-scale, highly technological company with an almost completely closed production cycle. We value our reputation and pay special attention to the quality of our products. We use the latest high-performance equipment, the best quality components and raw materials. Our employees are highly skilled professionals who are best at what they do and are constantly improving their skills in order to be always ready to respond in a timely manner to the challenges and demands of the market. Our product range is vast, diverse, and constantly expanding. Let's take a closer look at the composition of one of our base products. As an example of the most popular and marketable of the products manufactured by TermoBrest, the electromagnetic gas valve BH2H-1. Main components of the valve are as follows: housing, upper and lower cover, valve's seat, armature housing, valve piston assemble, armature, spring, electromagnetic coil, sealing made of oil-resistant resin mixture. Like everything else in this world, our company's production process starts with an idea. Conceived in the Department of Construction and Quality Control, the idea is then refined, improved, repeatedly checked, and brought to perfection, following which it is sent to production. Each of our products goes a long way from the first stroke of a pencil on the paper to make an initial sketch to the creation of a 3D model. We simultaneously develop casting tools for the production of the base parts of the valve, which are the body and the caps. The entire production process is monitored by the construction and technology team. This team also oversees the creation of operating schedules, calculation of time slots and material consumption, choice of tools, development of the programs for NC machine tools, and other critical processes. The team develops the process of manufacturing components, casting, and technological tools. And finally, when the idea has acquired its tangible shapes, it sees the light of the foundry, the most sizzling of all the departments in our company. Our foundry is unique. Highly qualified professionals, modern equipment, and years of experience allow us to produce castings of the highest quality on par with those made for aviation. Bubble tightness spoilage does not exceed 10% per lot. This is an unachievable figure for many other casting productions. Every item cast here undergoes a thorough inspection and is tested for leakages in specially equipped laboratories. The items that fail the tests are marked as spoilage, rejected, and sent back to recasting. There is no other way, and we are unwilling to compromise, because the safety of an entire mechanism depends on the housing leak tightness. Cast parts of the valve undergo further mechanical processing by NC machine tools, following which our technical control department checks the compliance of the main parameters of the parts with technical documentation. Finally, the parts are sent to the storage facilities. The quality of every part depends on the quality of the initial material and processing technology levels. In our production, we use non-ferrous alloys and stainless steel of the highest quality. These materials are delivered from storage facilities to preparation department. Here they are cut into slabs with bandsaw machines and then moved to the departments of metalworking lathes and milling machines. Here the slabs are processed in accordance with technological programs and turned into components. The mechanical department of our company is equipped with the high-precision CNC lathes and mills. Today we can produce components of extremely high design sophistication with maximum quality. On every stage of production, the components undergo strict quality control inspections. They are checked by the machine operator first, and then by our technical inspection team. This approach eliminates the chances that components with deviations in size or shape will be used in the production process. Faulty components can lead to issues during the process of assembly of finished products, something that is completely unacceptable here at TermoBrest. After the check, finished components are put in sub-assemblies and transferred to storage facilities, where they are kept until they are ready for the final stage of production. Our storage facilities are equipped with a product monitoring system, which allows controlling the quantity of components and maintaining the required reserves. The most important part of the valve is the electromagnetic coil that operates the valve's gate. The coil consists of a polymeric cage, an enamel wire, steel body, and terminal block with control board. The control board is an important part of the coil. It was developed in Germany especially for our coils. This control board cuts the coil's energy consumption in half, 10 seconds after operation starts. We strive for our products to be as environmentally friendly as they are reliable and efficient. Finally, all the components of the valve are ready. Now it's time for the components to be assembled into one unit. At this stage of production, fitters get to work. Components are delivered to the assembly area. Here, fitters follow instructions which describe in detail the assembly process. Assembly is performed on specially designed for our production platforms. The tools used by fitters are specific and unique. The valve components are assembled and the final units are taken for post-production tests. Although every component undergoes a number of multi-stage quality controls throughout the entire process of production, only final tests can show whether the valve is ready for operation. Final tests are held to ensure compliance of the end products with the main standards of performance and leak tightness used in the gas industry. Following the completion of final tests, each valve is given a unique serial number and certificate confirming successful completion of tests and compliance with the required industry standards. Having passed all stages of production, valves are wrapped in special packages and sent to the storage facilities where they are stored until shipped to the consumer. Every unit manufactured by TermoBrest goes through the same process. Today we offer our clients more than 7,000 types, sizes, and modifications of the products, which together provide for a safe, efficient, and technologically optimal use of hydrocarbon and other non-corrosive gases. The products we offer are the following: solenoid safety gas valves of various types and constructions, safety valves, shut-off valves, valves for liquid mediums, gas filters, pressure regulators, stabilizers, gas control shutters with manual and electrical operation, pressure switches, gas valve block units for the gas equipment of any operation type. All products of TermoBrest are of its own development and design. More than 85% of our products are exported. Gazprom, Lukoil, Rosneft, Russian TGK, and many other long-established and well-known companies trust the highest quality behind the trademark of TermoBrest. Our solenoid valves and filters were used in the Sochi Olympic Games facilities and have performed flawlessly. TermoBrest products ensured non-stop and secure gas supply right to the Olympic Flame Bowl, as well as to many other strategically important Olympic Village facilities and objects built in Sochi for the Winter Olympics 2014. Today, the TermoBrest brand is well known far beyond Belarus and the CIS countries. Our products are sold on the vast territory from Norilsk to Hanoi and Yuzhno-Sahalinsk to Dusseldorf, and we continue to conquer new markets. We pay special attention to timely production and delivery of our products. We guarantee delivery of any quantity of any item in no more than 10 days. Such a short delivery time is a key factor of success in the valve industry that demands quick responses to every customer's needs. Being on time, every time, is how we raise competitiveness of TermoBrest trademark dramatically and keep it high in modern market-intense conditions. Over the years, we have created an extensive dealer network. Only on the territory of the former Soviet Union, we have 22 representatives. Moreover, we have dealers in Poland, Germany, and China. Our approach is also unique in its pricing policy. Fixed prices allow our customers to avoid unnecessary expenses on the maintenance of intermediaries. Our quality management system is certified in accordance with ISO 9001-2008. All products of TermoBrest are fully compliant with the European standards and regulations and bear the CE mark. Following the creation of the Eurasian Economic Union, TermoBrest was one of the first companies to receive the right to market its products with EAC mark. All our products are certified on a regular basis, and relevant certificates are always obtained upon the first application to the competent authorities. That, once again, proves the excellent quality and consistently high level of our production. In 2014, the Foundation for Support of Business Initiatives of the Russian Federation awarded the products of TermoBrest with the National Quality Mark together with an honorable title of the Quality and Reliability Guarantor in the Russian Federation. In December of the same year, our company became a winner of an annual national award, the Economic Support of Russia 2014, and received a title of the Company of National Importance. In March 2015, the Foundation for Support of Business Initiatives of the Russian Federation, at their annual national award ceremony, Company Number 1 2015, awarded our company the title of Reliable Supplier of Products and Services. We love what we do and believe it to be useful and important. We value our good reputation, which is a result of hard and dedicated everyday work for over a quarter of a century. We never stand still. Many years of industrial expertise and the latest technology allow us to maintain and set the highest standards of quality. It is very important for us to be your reliable partner. We are confident in the future and are willing to work with you to realize the most ambitious and challenging projects.